the Golden Standard of Governance Award. The journey of a valiant liberator celebrating the 50th birthday of Sir Siminalayi Fubara GSSRS. As the people of Rivers State gather to celebrate the 50th birthday of our governor, Sir Siminalayi Fubara GSSRS, it is a moment to reflect on his journey as a fearless leader, visionary statesman, and valiant liberator who has redefined governance and transformed the state. Born on January 28, 1975 in Opobo Town, Rivers State, Fubara's life story is one of determination and purpose. From his humble beginnings, he rose to prominence through hard work and a relentless commitment to excellence. With solid academic foundation, earning him degrees in accountancy, an MBA, and an MSc in finance, this exceptional preparation has set the stage for a career characterized by dedication to duty, integrity, innovation, and unwavering courage. Sir Siminalayi Fubara assumed office as the governor of Rivers State during a politically charged period. However, his fearless approach to governance has not only stabilized the state but also united its people under a common vision of prosperity and progress. His administration is a manifestation of bold decision-making, inclusivity, and an unyielding commitment to public welfare. Under his leadership, Rivers State has experienced unprecedented growth and transformation. He has tackled long-neglected infrastructure projects, prioritized healthcare, expanded urban and rural development, and increased the state's internally generated revenue (IGR), all without resorting to flagrant borrowing which characterized the previous administration. Governor Fubara's policies have liberated Rivers State from the constraint of economic stagnation. The Trans-Calabari Highway, a project ignored by successive administrations, is now a reality, opening new economic frontiers for the Calabari people. Similarly, the ongoing construction of 33.5 kilometers dualized Elele-Egbeda-Omoku Road in Ikwere, Emoha, and Ogba-Igbe-Mandoni local government areas, over 62-kilometer Port Harcourt Ring Road project, Opobo Ring Road project, 14-kilometer Bori internal roads, 14.126-kilometer Umakali Road in Omoma, and countless other ongoing and completed infrastructure projects stand as monuments to his commitment to opening the state for better connectivity and economic growth. Governor Fubara's administration has fostered a sense of unity and shared purpose among the diverse peoples of Rivers State. By decentralizing development and opening new cities, he has not only spread prosperity but also strengthened the bonds of unity. Projects such as the Bori internal road and the Port Harcourt Ring Road and the Trans-Calabari Highway project have brought communities closer while driving economic growth. Through his visionary Rivers State Contributory Healthcare Protection Program, rehabilitation of zonal hospitals in Rivers State, building the first general hospital in Obiakpo local government area, and the remodeling and expansion of both the maxillofacial specialist hospital at Garrison and the psychiatric hospital, Governor Fubara has expanded health services to even the most remote communities, ensuring that no citizen is left behind. His ability to combine fiscal prudence with transformative projects has set Rivers State on a trajectory of sustainable development. Workers' welfare has never been given the level of attention Sir Siminalayi Fubara has dedicated to it. Today, Rivers workers are the happiest in the country, with prompt payment of salaries, promotional benefits, and other incentives such as Christmas bonuses to even retirees, all thanks to his people-centric leadership style. As Sir Siminalayi Fubara turns 50, the people of Rivers State have every reason to celebrate his life and leadership. His journey is a powerful reminder that true liberation comes from visionary leadership and fearless determination. Despite the harrowing challenges posed by misled individuals in the state to scuttle the government and cause the wheels of governance to slow down in the state, Sir Siminalayi Fubara has shown capacity as a seasoned administrator with AI, advanced intelligence capabilities, defeating the enemies of the state at their own games and setting the state on the pedestal of uninterrupted growth. His legacy is already etched in the annals of Rivers State as a governor who not only transformed the state but also inspired its people to dream bigger and achieve greater. On this golden milestone, we celebrate not just a man but a movement of unity, prosperity and resilience. Sir Siminalayi Fubara GSSRS, the Valiant Liberator of Rivers State, stands as a beacon of hope and a model of governance excellence. Happy 50th birthday, Sir Siminalayi Fubara GSSRS. Your fearless leadership has liberated Rivers State and will forever be a guiding light for generations to come. Signed, High Chief Honorable Sobomabo Jackridge, Igberi Papa, former gubernatorial candidate, National Rescue Movement NRM, and national leader, Simplicity Movement.